work, man.
All right, good luck, everybody.
Yeah.
All right, everyone. First round, twin sprints.
What the shit?
We're all gonna die.
Everyone's the left.
What the shit?
Put it in gear.
Good.
Oh god. Yeah, put
Who's
her in
first?
here.
Yeah. Full send.
Oh god.
Full send. Championship going.
Why am I on the inside? Now.
Damn it. Crashing.
Yes, yes.
Oh yeah, Kelso
I
crashed.
just wanted everybody.
Sixth place. Whoa! Watch it falls. Oh, never mind. You guys were the same kid. Oh shit.
Oh no.
It's alright, we'll be right back here in like a couple minutes. Okay.
Oh shit, sorry. Fuck.
There we go, Will.
Oh, god damn it. Oh, of course the bike's gonna slide for an hour.
Yeah. I ran into the back of Mark.
Oh, shit.
This is definitely very CCS-esque. With just fucking panic.
Damn it.
Told you it was gonna be mayhem.
This is fucking awesome. I went from freaking 3rd to 9th.
I went from 6th to 6th. Passed a lot of people, got passed by a lot of people to accomplish that, but...
Oh god, Kelso.
Will, that was really close.
I know.
I'm guessing Bob's in first.
I peed a little bit.
Having trouble getting by, Jay.
Fucker.
Oh, it's hard being clean.
It's hard for me to go this fucking full send.
I
Not
hate
my
this goddamn
style.
narrow track.
Oh my god!
Whatever, Bob. Front with your
Grass.
last time.
The grass.
I just ran up to turn 1.
Man.
I just took a shortcut.
Whoa!
Crash.
Shit.
Oh, look out.
Oh, you son of a bitch. Glenn, you prick.
Would you tap my front?
No, you fucking pushed me out into the sand.
Who's in 6th right now?
Me.
That's for you taking me out twice next weekend. Oh!
Bob, I'm gonna have to ask you to get out of between me and Blaze. We have a rivalry.
There is a...
Now all three of you have a
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
I just saw blue and figured it was Bob.
Fucking hell.
Well, I'm fine if you want to pass him. The point is, him and I need to finish next to each other.
You gonna finish at the same time?
No, I wasn't talking points. I was just talking
Super
race finish.
Nice win, Bob.
Thank you.
Hey, good job, Bob.
Thank you.
Nobody likes you.
Well, I was expecting you would.
Huh?
Fucking terrible.
Oh, my bad. I knew that was going to Oh, yeah?
Nice. Good job, guys.
Sorry, Adam, for ruining your race in turn 1.
Yeah, it was, and then, CJ got my front tire in the corner, too.
Yes.
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah, we just...
2 of them at Losail.
We're doing another here.
Yep, we're doing
We're
another.
going to Losail.
Definitely need to get...
Yeah, hold
Last
on.
call.
I gotta sit this one out, man. Sorry.
Alright.
Sucks.
Pull your bike off
What
the track.
position are you in?
No, he's just gonna be there.
Yeah, he'll go invisible.
No, not at the start.
Yeah, someone hit me.
Oh my god, who the fuck was that?
That
Damn it!
Hey,
Scud missile! Scud missile to the rescue.
I got hit. I got hit by Glenn.
What
I
is
did
that?
something.
Hi.
Blue bike with a pink helmet.
Glenn did not touch anybody.
I didn't dive bomb.
Jesus.
Shit!
No, it wasn't. You ran into me. Oh my god.
Who barely even touched that person? What the fuck?
I know.
Is that
Will's
you,
on
Custom?
one right now. No, I'm up behind Will. Will's on it.
Clawing back that championship.
Ah, fuck.
I kinda knew this track wasn't gonna be like the best thing ever.
It's a hard track, it really is. So, I mean, I get it. Fuck. Mark, when you get up to him, be careful.
I wanted to touch her. It was so bad right there, Will.
This is what?
Touch his no-nos. Hands. Copies.
Oh, fuck. Alright, let's see. Oh, on the brakes. That's where I got you last time.
There it is. Crash like an asshole.
Woo! Man, my heart rate is up.
I know.
You're so strong. I wasn't gaining on you at all.
Oh, damn!
What? Barely touched.
Alright.
Yeah, that's fucking great. Game sucks a dick.
Oh, sorry, Kelso.
No, you're good.
Oh, there's another lap to go.
Oh, fuck.
No!
No! Don't!
She wasn't ready.
That's a bullshit penalty.
Ooh, man, Justin. I pulled the Andrea Dovizioso.
Woo! First podium. Yes.
Get it,
Yeah.
Will.
Fuck yeah.
Kelso, I made a mistake and you gapped me, and I looked to see who was in fourth, and I was like, fuck this. Fourth is too far away. I'm just going to settle for third.
Fuck it. Yeah.
I did this as soon as you ran off, and then, because you were right behind me going down the front straight.
Yeah,
And
I was trying to push you out of the way in a couple of the, like in turn one a little bit, and like I thought I was going to be able to take the inside, but after I bumped you and everything like that, I was just like, nah.
Yeah, when I looked back, you weren't right there, and then I was just like, yep, I'm going to be in second. I'm not crashing.
Ooh, I had a better
Who won
lap
that
time than two people. God
Who
damn
won
it.
that one?
Hector did.
Oh, nice.
Good job, Hector.
I had a decent lap time. How about that shit?
Good job last time, Bob.
Yeah, you did. 144.